everybody, Freddie O from winwithfred.com, and I'm super pumped to show you guys how to add different types of videos to your ClickFunnels pages. So first of all, if you like what you see in here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. You like that little headline right there? That's slick. So we're going to dive right in. So a few ways you can do this. First things first, you can either add a new element underneath wherever you want to put it, and you can put down, just click on video, okay? You can make certain adjustments this way. Like for instance, you cannot change the width through the actual row, but you can change the width within within the element itself by going here and just changing full width, 3/4 width, half width, so on and so forth. But what I like to do is I like to have total control over what I'm doing. So what I do is I go ahead and add a brand new row, and I click on add element, click on add a video, and then all you have to do is go here and you can control the width very easily. You have total control. So that's the first thing. Second thing is we're going to go ahead and show you how to embed each separate thing, except for Wistia. Wistia is pretty self-explanatory, just like the other ones. But I'm going to show you that first one we're going to do is YouTube. Now, I do not recommend doing YouTube videos for any kind of sales videos or training videos because the branding's on there and it can take you, I'm going to get a drink of water, take you off of the page. So with that being said, we want to make sure that we don't want any kind of distractions or ways that the person watching the video can leave the page. Now, if you're putting on a blog post, I get it. That's fine. But in most cases, we want to make sure that we keep them on this page. But if you want to use YouTube, you can easily go to I Love Impractical Jokers. All you have to do is go to the video you want to embed. You click on share and copy and go to the YouTube and paste the URL right there. They have autoplay options, controls, take all that stuff off. And even if you take off branding, it still does not take off all the branding. So, and I haven't really dove deep into it. There may be ways of taking off branding, but I don't use YouTube a lot on my ClickFunnels pages. So I'm going to show you that this is how it looks when you have YouTube on there. Okay. So that's how YouTube looks. Very simple. They click play and they can watch the video. Now, the next thing is we're going to go with Vimeo. Now, Vimeo is interesting. So I like Vimeo, but I'm going to show you. Actually, go to Vimeo. Right, I know I already have it open, but there's a reason why I want to do this. Vimeo.com. I'm going to click on search. Let me just find a video right here. No, those are my videos. So we're going to grab a video, FAIL fails, and we're going to pull up this fail video. Okay, click on this. Now, if you notice up here is the actual link you're going to grab, copy it, go back to your video element, click on the edit, and you're going to change this to Vimeo and paste it right there. And here's the thing, if you click on autoplay on, okay, one more thing too, let me show you. There's a few things you have to make some adjustments inside of Vimeo. Okay, first things is this, is if you notice, it's auto playing right now. Okay, but you still see the like, add to watch later, and share. But also there is absolutely no volume. Okay, that's a problem. So there's a workaround with that. But let's start off with this stuff right here. You do not want this stuff on your video. So what you can do is, let me actually go to one of the videos that I can manage. And I already have presets. Okay, I have Fred settings. So if I click on no presets, let's say this is all on. Okay, you have to turn all of this stuff off. Okay, before you go ahead and embed this video, but you don't want to embed it with autoplay with that feature within the Vimeo within this area. Okay, so when it says Vimeo, you don't want to do autoplay on this. You will have no sound. Okay, now there's a workaround with that. So first of all, let's go in here and let's turn, I already have presets, so I'm going to go to Fred settings and it turns everything off. I'm actually going to take the play bar off here as well and click on save. Now, if you click on embed code right here, it just gives you the embed code, but we want to go a little bit deeper with this. Okay, so you want to go to the actual video right here. Okay, and then you want to, where's it at? Just had it. Go here. Am I on the right page? Yes, yes. So you're going to go to, oh, right here, share, and you're going to scroll down. If you see the embed codes right there, you can click on show options. Scroll down a little bit more, and you're going to go ahead and autoplay this video. And you're gonna, let me see, show link text underneath this video. Take this off right there. And now it's ready to autoplay with sound. So all you do is you grab this video right there, copy it, go back to your element, which is orange. And we're gonna go back to custom embed, erase whatever you have in there, and click on, go right there and click on save, paste it, click on save, and let's preview it. Now you can't hear, I have my, hold on. If you can hear that, I have my headphones off now. So the actual audio does work and it's basically all set to go. So you can actually do that with Vimeo. You can have it to where it automatically does that, but you have to use the embed feature. Now going back to the video itself, come on. Okay. You have YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and Easy Video Suite. Now I do not use these two. I have used Wistia before. It is fantastic. It's super fast. But I use another type of video service now, and it does not require me to even use this video section. So what I do is, excuse me, I go ahead and click on delete, and I'm going to go ahead and add a new element, and I'm going to use custom HTML. Now you can use this with any of the basically HTMLs you want to, okay? As far as like, for instance, the Vimeo videos, you can use custom HTML. You're just not going to have some of the borders, etc. But what I'm going to show you is I use Vitalytics, and the reason I like Vitalytics is a reason. And I'll make a whole video about Vitalytics, but I like Vitalytics because, especially with a membership software, a membership site, Vitalytics allows the actual person watching the video to stop the video, turn off, get out of the membership, go back in, and resume the video where they stopped off, where they stopped at. And that's why I love it, because it's great for the people that are in the back office of Funnel Logics. They can actually go back to the video and just proceed from where they were at. They don't have to guess where they were at. So with that, all you do is, hold on, let me refresh this page. I got to log in. Vitalytics is fantastic. I'll make another video on that, but we're going to go to videos. Just grab one of these. Go ahead and click on this. And I'm going to embed and share. And we're going to, all I have to do is basically copy the clipboard right here and go back to the custom JavaScript and open code editor, paste it right there, jump out of here. And you always want to, with, especially if you're embedding something from a third party embed code, you want to go ahead and then change the third party embed code and click on save and then click on preview. So there it is. And this one is not, obviously not autoplay. This goes in the back office, but I'll show you.
Welcome to the Profit Accelerator.
If I click on stop, Well, this one actually doesn't do it. I didn't have that set up, but you can actually set it up to where it automatically will replay at the time that the person that was watching the video does not have to go back and find it. So to recap, very simple. I know I'm throwing a lot at you guys right now at one shot, but here we go. So to add a simple video via Vimeo, YouTube, Wistia, all you do is you click on add a new column. That's what I would do. Add a new element, which is the video, and then click here, pick which one you want, either to custom embed, go to YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, which is also fantastic, great for sales videos, and Easy Video Suite. I think I've used that once back in the day. And then there's HTML5 video. I've never used that. So guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, but that is exactly how you do it. Super happy that I could hopefully help you guys out today. And once again, if you like what you see and hear, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Freddie O from Win with Fred. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.